window laying PSI with full geometry and material details. Our project has all materials and boundaries assigned. Let's go to Elements tab and activate A button. Select Bridge Areas as Computation Method and Window Laying as SI Computation Mode. Insert a section element on the wall up to the window frame and make sure that its width, single line, completely encloses the wall's width. Now we need to create a closed path around the frame and glazing of the window, excluding the subframe. The final step is to assign a segment material to frame's external segments. During window-only simulation, these segments will have an adiabatic boundary condition assigned. We're done. Just make sure there is at least one adiabatic boundary condition in the Boundary tab list. As you can see, Mold Simulator automatically performed a window-only simulation needed to compute psi